Hello everyone. Today we'll be making electroculture antennas for our plant. Okay, what you need is just a simple stick or any stick that you can get outside. Just go to the woods and break up some sticks and bring it in. You need a copper wire. I got a 12 gauge copper wire, and then you'll need some wire cutter. Okay, so you take the stick, the wire, take it out, just pull it out a little bit. Okay, measure it almost about the same. Okay, a little bit longer, and then you cut it. Okay, and then what you do is you go like this and bend it just a little bit. Sometimes there's a hole in the branch. I usually go like this, stick it in a little bit, and then bend it like this. Okay, and then when I hold on to the copper, so you put it in the hole a little bit. I hold on to the copper, and I twist it like this. Start twisting it. Okay, let's start from the top a little bit more. Right, like that. Hold on, and start twisting it, just like that. Okay. Twist it down, twist it down, twist it down, all the way down like that. Okay, so you have the copper, and this is it right there, all the way down like that. Okay, you twist it all the way down, and that's it. That's how you make a electroculture antenna for your garden. So what you do is you just stick it inside the soil, all the way into the dirt, and the electricity will pick up electricity and moisturize the plant for you. Or what you can do is also you can do a basic one. Pull, cut it, get the wire, get it on the top. You can just twist it. Twist it into like spherical shape and stuff like that, to different shapes. You go like this. Okay, make sure this is straight up there like that. Right, you do like that, and just stick it straight into the pot like that. Okay, stick it in there. So as you can see, I'm going to stick it inside so you can see for yourself. And this is what it looked like. Just like that. Okay, now my flowers, well, it was a nice garden. It died a little bit, so I'm trying it out and see how it works. Right, I have some other trees here with sticks with all the copper wire around it also. So we'll give an experiment and see how it works in the next 3 months or so, or 2 months. All right, and that's it. This is the copper wire here. This is the antenna. And this is how you make your electroculture antenna. All right. Thank you. Have a nice day.